Hello and welcome back. I'm so happy to see you here. Today's video is going to be on a topic that sparked quite a lot of interest amongst my friends, and it's for a very good reason. We are going to talk about nails, and more specifically restoring health and making them the most strong, long, shiny nails that you can possibly have without using any harming chemicals. The method that I'm going to describe to you is not very popular, although it definitely deserves much more attention because it simply works, and I'm walking testimony of that. When I tell you I have the weakest nails, I really mean it. There have been literally times in my life when I tried to wash my hair and do this simple movement. I couldn't do it without feeling pain in my nails, so I had to use my knuckles kind of to make sure that my scalp is all nice and clean, which is really insane to think about. And I'm sharing this with you for you to visualize the scale of the problem I was dealing with. Personally, I believe that majority of things are quite complex, and the condition of nails, hair is the end result or many different factors. Therefore, in order to fix something, I also believe it is important to take much more complex approach and not only focus on improving one thing, but improving on multiple fronts. When I was on a mission to restore my nails, not only I started doing Japanese manicure, but I also focused on entire nail and hand care and the right supplementation. With all these three things in place, after around 2-3 months, I was seeing really fantastic results. And today I'm going to share with you exactly what I did
to take my nails from looking like this to looking like this.
As you can see right now, I have currently my nails done. This is something that I really enjoy. However, I also do realize that this is something that is further weakening my nails. I think there's something really feminine in having beautiful, well-kept, well-maintained nails, and it genuinely makes me very happy to have them done at the salon. However, I know the impact, and every couple of months I'm taking a break, and when I'm taking a break from the salon nails, Japanese manicure is my go-to. In case this is the very first time you're hearing about it, let me introduce you to the P-Shine Japanese Manicure Set. This is the ultimate regeneration treatment for stressed nails. If your goal is to have long, strong, beautiful, healthy, shiny nails, this is definitely a solution that I strongly encourage you to learn more about or to consider. Also, another amazing thing is that with Japanese manicure, we are not using any chemicals, but it's all natural products. So it's really nurturing and actually really good for our nails. It's very sustainable long-term solution for beautiful nails, so you can do what I'm doing and use it in between your salon treatments, or you can really quit it altogether and just stick with that. In a moment, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this set and what are the pros and cons of using it, so you can decide for yourself if it's worth it or not. One thing I can promise you, that this is a way to significantly and permanently improve your nails in a natural way. That's also sustainable and also quite long lasting. One treatment will last for around 2 weeks on your nails, and the set itself, I bought mine in 2020, and as you can see, it's 2023 and I still have it. I'm still using it. I'm not even halfway done with it. So it's definitely wonderful investment. Okay, so now let's get to the good part. How can you nurture your nails and improve their condition? Let's go.
Okay, so this is our starting point, and these are my nails after 3 months of consistent treatment. If you want to have long, beautiful, healthy nails, it's gonna take some effort, but it's gonna be worth it. And I'm going to walk you through my entire routine step by step. This is something that you're gonna do every single day before the treatment and even after the treatment. This is crucial to maintaining the results and straightening the nails so they become more elastic and less prone to breaking. When you start moisturizing and nurturing the root of the nail, I can promise to you, after being regular, you're going to see how strong they become. On the screen you can see exact names of the products that I was using, but of course you can find alternatives as well. And just to clarify, I was using all of these layers on every single nail. Here once again you can see the close-up of the miserable condition of my nails before the very first treatment and right after. As you can see, the difference is huge, especially considering that I have just taken off my salon nails on this first video. Since the routine is out of the way, let me tell you more about the actual Japanese manicure routine and the set. When I was filming, I was using the set for the very first time. This is also why you can see the unboxing, but later I of course kept doing it, redoing it, and I managed to get beautiful nails. The set includes a paste containing keratin, vitamins A and E, beeswax and silica from the Sea of Japan. In the package, you will also find a protective powder which retains the ingredients in the paste, protects them from being rinsed out too quickly and from external factors like water and detergents. The products are numbered accordingly, indicating the order in which the treatment is performed. The colors of the packaging correspond to the colors of the polishers, so that you do not confuse the type of the polisher intended for each of the corresponding cosmetics. Essentially, they are the same product with a very nice leather finishing, but because the paste and the powder have a different consistency, it's better to stick to the dedicated polishers. Lastly, you will also find a double-sided polisher for mattifying the nail plate before the treatment and plastic spatula for applying the paste and the powder. So now that you know exactly what we are working with, we can begin the process. As you can see, my nails are very short. I already pre-cut them and pre-filed them, but still I used the polisher provided to make sure that there are no rough edges and also that the nails plate is very smooth. Overall, if your main objective is to deeply condition and revitalize your nails, I highly recommend keeping your nails short. This will prevent peeling and splitting of the plate of the nail. As a result, your brittle and fragile nails will become strong and flexible and also get unique, healthy looking shine. When you are modifying your nails, please remember not to push too hard so you don't damage your nails. One of the best techniques here would be to do it using short, fast movements. After you are done, use the provided pink leather cloth to remove any nail residue, and then we can move forward to the next step. You will need the paste in the green box and the green polisher. Here I would highly advise to apply the paste gradually, because if you put too much it will simply fall off and go to waste. Recommended movement of the polisher is the movement upwards, since it causes more intense blood supply to the nail bed, which combined with the properties of the paste will result with a plate that has beautiful healthy shade almost immediately after the treatment, but probably it will take you some practice. Microscopic abrasive particles included in the paste level out any bumps while gently exfoliating the plate. In order to foster these results, the applied paste is protected by rubbing powder into the nail plate with a polisher. The powder traps the ingredients contained in the paste and protects them from being rinsed from the nail plate too quickly. Additionally, you get a nice silky shine effect which lasts on the nail plate for about up to 2 weeks. That is the last step of the Japanese manicure routine, which you can finish off by applying some oil to the roots once again and some hand cream as a cherry on top. Now you can enjoy these beautiful revitalized nails, with only downside being that you have to stay away from applying regular nail polish.
I really hope that this tutorial was genuinely helpful for you. I linked the set that I'm using below so you can get it too. And also, I've linked all of the products from my nail care routine. Majority of them I actually got from Poland, but it's possible to order them internationally as well, or you can simply search for alternative in your country. Thank you so much for watching. More beauty content is coming very soon, but in the meantime, if you're also interested in travel, mindset, wellness, and nutrition, be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with all of my new videos. I hope to see you very soon. Bye!